I'm here with my African market grocery haul. First, we got some agege bread, which is a Nigerian bread that is like a really sweet, white, soft, squishy butter bread. Not vegan, very delicious, love it. And I got some chin chin. I do usually make chin chin myself, but it's just, I hate frying things. It's a lot of work. It's a whole thing. Chin chin, if you don't know, is just like a really common snack food in Nigeria. It's a crunchy fried flour type thing. Almost like the texture of like a really hard cereal. Like a cereal that you would, like an American sugar cereal or whatever, but it's not too sweet. It's something you can have like on the side of a dish or just like munch on as a snack. Very, very good. I also got some seasoning cubes. I usually get the Maggi cubes. This time I'm trying the Knorr chicken seasoning cubes for some reason. I don't really know why I decided to switch up. I just kind of did. Which this does go against. I do usually try to eat mostly plant-based, mostly vegan. But obviously I'm not very strict. I mean, I have some butter bread right here. But these ones I do think have chicken in them. Either that or they're just made to season chicken. Let's see. Yeah, one of the last ingredients is chicken, so I don't really know why I decided to go this route, but my Maggi cubes that I have aren't very crumbly, and I was thinking these might be more crumbly. I don't know, we'll see. I also have some pap, which is a pretty common breakfast type food. It's a pap is made with corn. It's kind of like comparable to like oatmeal, I would say, in America. It's not oatmeal, something like that, but in terms that it's like a hot thing in a bowl that you would eat for breakfast. It's commonly served with akara. Yeah, it's a really good breakfast. I like to have it. This is vegan, so that's nice. And then the star of the show is a yam. This is a yam. If you have been calling sweet potatoes yams, I hope that you know in your soul that you are incorrect and that is just a colloquialism. This is a real yam. It's very hard, very sturdy, very large tuber. I'm gonna be honest, I've never actually bought one of these before. I usually just use powdered yam to make my fufu, but I was inspired to go ahead and try to make a real one. I'm gonna ask my dad for some recipes. I am now wondering if I bought a bad one. I think it'll be okay. It's hard to pick something when you've never picked it before, you know? But yeah, I'm very, very, very excited about this. There's a lot of different varieties of yam, just like a lot of different varieties of potato in Nigeria, but don't really get a lot of varieties in the US. You're lucky to control. So this is the big excitement. But yeah, that's all I got. Other things I would normally get are like agege, but I have stuff at home. I have powdered yam at home for fufu. So, I mean, the only thing I really needed to get more of was some pap, but what I really wanted was this agege bread because I was really craving it, and I have some spray on butter, which I'm gonna add to that. Yeah, that is my African market grocery haul. I'm probably gonna be making some more African food on the channel, so watch out for that. Thank you for watching. I'm Kiara. Please like and subscribe if you want to get some more information about these types of foods. I am kind of pivoting more towards a food-based channel, which I think works because I really like cooking. The whole productivity angle was a reach, to be honest. Yeah, I might make a video about that, who knows. But yeah, food is reliable, food is consistent, I love cooking. Hopefully I can make interesting content out of it. At the very least, teach you something new. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.